What's up everyone? It's me, your Suditri John Valencia. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. We are back for another reaction video for Bunso Ruel Carino para sa inyong request na ito nga ay yung song by request sa 8 Bulaga. At ito ang compilation ng kanya mga performance ng by request ng The Clone. So mega love shout out to Istoryahan Kita for uploading this. And thank you so much for requesting this video, guys. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my way. Wow, very radio yung audio ni Ruel dito. Oh, I love talaga the diction and enunciation ni Ruel. At ang cute ng bunso ni Salamin.
I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway. And more, much more than this, I did it my
Wow. Smooth.
way. For what is a man?
Hey!
What has he got?
I love it.
Himself that he's not to say the things we truly feel. And not the words
Wow.
of what feels.
Oh my God, love that styling.
I took the blow
Tumayo na.
and did
Bang.
Oh my God, love it.
Wala bang bang, bunso?
Wala daw bang. Ay, ano naman to? Oh, please be careful with my heart. Kaya akala ko straight from 8 Bulaga, may nagre-record pala. Thank you so much for recording this kasi hindi natin naabutan ng 8 Bulaga. Sweet. Yung kay Lea Patricio, kinanta niya to, di ba?
always true for the world and all to see. Love has heard some lies softly spoken.
Very Jose Maria.
And my heart not be broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before.
Oh, ang sweet ng atake, guys. Naalala ko kinanta niya to with Lea Patricio. Nag-react tayo dyan, guys. Check nyo rin yung video. Charis.
So I know just how you feel. Just my love is real for you.
Kala mo may nililigawan. Napaka-sweet with that smile, ha?
I'll caress it like the morning dew.
Sweet.
I'll be right beside you forever. I won't let our world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart.
Diba? Ang sweet. Ay!
And you are my last.
Wow! Sino yung ka-duet niya, guys? May ka-love team na pala ang bunso. Charis. Oh, love the emotion. I love the dynamics. Pero ba't natatawa ang bunso? Parang siguro inaasar silang dalawa. Wow, galing din ng babae, ah. Ang cute! Ang cute ng smile ng bunso, no? Ay. Oh, wonderful tonight. For the zoom in talaga sila kay Bunso. Oh.
It's late in the evening.
Oh, I love it. Oh my God.
She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup
Wow.
and brushes her long blonde hair.
Diba? Grabe, ang sweet.
And then she asks me,
Bagay na bagay kay Ruel mga ganitong
do
kanta.
I look alright? And I say yes,
Eye to eye, no?
wonderful tonight.
Love the dynamics, how he's singing it.
We go to a party,
Very soothing. Love the atake.
everyone turns to see this beautiful lady
Love the tenors.
that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
Aww. Diba? Atake yun. Love it. Bagay na bagay. Ang sweet. Ay, may isa pa. Oh, Moon River. Kino-comment ng mga Dabar Cats. I love it. Wow.
I'll cross
First time ko ito marinig na kakantahin niya.
someday.
Aww.
Oh, Julie, faker, you heartbreaker.
Wala, ba't nagiging emotional ako?
Wherever you're going, I'm going your way.
Oh my God, guys. First time ko narinig si Ruel kantahin tong Moon River. Iba yung atake. Nag-goosebumps ako and I feel emotional suddenly. Malungkot ba ako? Charit. Mesmerizing. I love it.
See the world. There's such a lot of world to see.
Oh my God. It touches my heart, guys.
We're after the same rainbows and
Oh my God. I love his version, guys. This is so good. This is the first time na sobrang na-touch ako ni Ruel and I feel emotional. I don't know why, guys. May iyak ba ako for today's video? Hindi po ako malungkot, ha? Masaya po ako. Balikan niya natin. Ganda ng rendition. Maybe the arrangement and the way he's singing.
rainbows and
Aww.
waiting round
Very hopeful yung feel.
my huckleberry friend. Moon River and me.
Oh my God, I love it. There you have it, guys. That is a Ruel Carino all performance sa song by request ng mga Dabar Cats sa 8 Bulaga. Grabe, sobrang na-touch ako ng Moon River, guys. I love how he sing it. Like, I don't know, it transcends to me na goosebumps ako and I feel so relate and very emotional at the same time. Pero hindi po ako malungkot. Na-touch lang talaga ako ng Bunso. Tapos nakatutok pa talaga sa kanya yung video. So nakikita ko how he sings it and the way that he looks at the camera. Plus that smile, very genuine. So, yun, na-touch lang po talaga ako. Pero hindi pa ako malungkot, guys, ha? Masaya po tayo dito. Kaya naman, what can you say about that, ha? Grabe, isang compilation na ng performance ni Ruel. At meron atang bago yung LSS daw, guys. You can comment the link to me kung meron kayong alam na may nag-upload. So I can check that for you and also we can react to their performance. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shoelace Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.